Good morning, all. Hi, my name is Michael Klose. I'm a senior here at the University of Arizona, and I'm going to be walking you through a quick introduction to the Canva platform. Canva is a free graphic design platform that's great for making presentations, business cards, invitation, Instagram or Facebook posts. The sky is pretty much the limit with Canva. The nice thing about Canva is the ability to take the appeal of your work to a whole new level. So here, I'm going to just walk you guys through signing up for an account. It's pretty generic. You just go in, you're going to put your first and last name, your email. I decided to use my school email because that was just the easiest for me. And for the purposes of this video, I've already gone ahead and made an account. At some point throughout the verification process, they'll send you all an email asking to verify your email, but that should only take a few minutes after making your account. So there's a lot of great features with the Canva platform, and one of them here is this Canva Teams thing, which is really cool. It's pretty much just like a Google Drive. You can invite your team members through the email, and then here I'll show you guys kind of just a blank Canva team. You've got your designs, your folders, your templates, your apps, the people who are in it, the group, and the settings of the team. This is a really great ability for you and your teammates to work on something and not have to be physically present with each other, and you can just work on it virtually. And then there's also a lot of certificates that you can get on the platform if you want to get better at design, branding, presenting. There's tutorials on here. There's a bunch of blogs. And then there's also certificates that you can take to boost up your resume if you are in a more designy oriented major. So Canva has a vast array of templates, different templates offered on this site, as you can see. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to click on the presentations one and kind of just show you guys what they have to offer. So it's really cool because all these templates, especially if you just filter to the free version, you have all of these that have been made for you, made by somebody who really put the time and effort in to do something visually appealing. So we can click on one, let's say technology. Say you're in a MIS class and you have to do a case comp presentation and you're a bit of a time crunch. You can come on here and we can click on 5th generation technology, and it's very appealing. The person who went ahead and made this, you can just go down and you can customize this template right here, and you can come in and kind of just put the information as you want. As you can see, it's very visually appealing. It's great for if you're tired of using PowerPoint. This is a great new platform to kind of spice up your presentations and keep people more enthralled and more engaged throughout. So yeah, and so we can kind of walk through other types of templates on here. If you're more in the resume side and you want to make a resume because you're a computer science or a design major, you can come in here. You can filter out the free or the pro, and yeah, it's really cool. They've got all of these different like mock or template resumes that you can go. So here's one for an IT project manager or whatever. It's really cool. You've got, you know, kind of just a nice picture up here, very inviting colors and font sizes, and so yeah, that is kind of just the lowdown with the templates. And so I'm going to walk you guys through kind of something that I built this past semester with one of my teammates, or actually group. This was used for a case competition that we were lucky enough to win, and I kind of just want to show you guys just everything that you can do on here. So this was something that we all made from scratch. We have a little timeline on the bottom keeping you up to date with where we are throughout our presentation. And as you can see, Shamrock Food Farms, which is the company that we were doing this for, is a very green, as a green color is their kind of forte, and we really wanted to idolize that throughout the presentation and stuff. And obviously this is a very advanced version of what you can do on Canva. Obviously it's not going to be a necessity as of right now, but this is something that with a little bit of practice and kind of just fiddling around, you can definitely get to as a person and making presentations. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this brief introduction to Canva. I hope you guys were able to become more familiar with the site, and if you would like more information on the platform, please navigate to the next video, which goes in depth on how to make an appealing presentation. Thank you guys very much.